there you have it. Hopefully you guys think it's cool. I know I'm moving the camera there. Come over this way so you guys can see it a little bit better. Hopefully it should look all right. And it just unsnaps. you can unsnap this if you need to get to the information from the compass that you need. You can just unsnap this and pull it back and get to the main part of the compass, and you can even move that around in front of you. And I'm going to put some I got to put some dressing on it when I get a chance, and I'll probably shoot a little photo of it so you guys can see it better in the picture. But that's pretty much it. It's, as the leather dries out, it's going to start getting stiff. Okay, so you got to wear something like this to break it in. You can't just depend. You're probably going to have to add like some Vaseline, kind of like you do to a catcher's mitt or something like that. But I'm going to add a little bit of dressing to it today, and that'll shine it up. It'll stay that way, and then over time it'll start to break in to the point that you don't have to put anything on it. It might take you about a week to, you know, get it sort of worked out, and it'll start to fit better. It'll start to mold around better. It all starts to take shape after you wear it for a few days. But that's pretty much all you got to do. And for those that probably want to know, well, since this is a Mudmaster G-Shock and it's got a bunch of built-in features already, I just wanted something manual, and it also is glow in the dark. This compass is a really nice compass, and I've got the link. I should have the link for that in my, it's in the Amazon store if you guys need it. But I wasn't going to promote it or anything, but you can use whatever compass you want. The setup of this, and someone might want to know this because it, like I said, it's you know, how will this hold up in weather? It does just fine. You can get it wet, you can jump in a pool, you can go swimming with the thing, and it'll still it'll return to its natural shape. If you ever stretch it out or something, it'll start to draw back up if it gets wet or something. So you don't have to worry about anything like that when it comes to leather. It usually is very forgiving. It's just direct flame is about the only thing that really jacks up leather. Direct flame. So you don't want to go holding it over a barbecue or a fire or something like that for a long period of time. It'll start to warp and mold. So but that's like anything, you know, nothing really works very good in extreme heat. And it doesn't matter from Kydex to leather, it all does the same effect. It'll all start to draw up and act weird. But anyway, please share the video with folks, and you know, if you guys have any more ideas for me, feel free to share. God bless. Take care.